Graphics is another category under the Activity Toolkit. You can see if I clicked on graphics here, there are a total of 139 pictures and 6 interactive multimedia objects that are under graphics. So we're going to have a lot more pictures than we are actually interactive items. Under graphics, we'll just take a look at a couple of these. We have bars and boxes. And these are essentially just that, bars or boxes that you can drag over to the screen. Now let's see, that would probably be useful in something like this. If you're doing a matching activity, just grab the box and drag it over top of the different pictures. And then you'd have to set the properties on it for it to fade away when you click on it. Under borders, it's just that. There are different page borders, so if you want your page to look a little different or a little fancier than a big white piece of paper, and they're all different colors down here, and they all look just a little bit different. Icons. These are icons or pictures that you can drag onto your page, and actually any of these stars would work well for a matching activity as well. Or you could use your question for something like this. This is just one of the question mark graphics. And you would type in the question up here, and then they'd have to click on the question mark to reveal the actual answer. Labels and buttons. That's just what they are. Labels you want to put on things, buttons you may want to use. Here's a neat example of how buttons were used. They used different colored buttons to create a stop sign. You know, red, yellow, green. No, I don't understand. I'm not completely sure, and yes, I understand. And the last one is pull tabs, and these are interactive pull tabs that would be really good for giving directions to an activity. So you would click here and you would decide where you want the tab, if you want it to come off the left side of the page or the right side of the page. Give that, you know, maybe I would call this directions. Okay, and that puts the label over here, and then you just type in this box exactly what you want the directions to be. And then when you're done with it, you can grab here and drag it off the edge, and then create your activity in the middle of it. I highly recommend using these because lots of times when we get activities, it looks neat, but we're not really sure how to use it. And that's a good way to put directions in there for yourself and for the students, especially if they're doing an activity independently. So that is the graphics category.